Are you ready to supercharge your quest for financial freedom? If so, you've clicked on the right video. Today, I'm going to share 16 powerful secrets to help you get rich faster. These aren't your average financial tips. We're diving deep into strategies and mindsets that can catapult your wealth-building journey into the stratosphere. From mastering the art of silent success to harnessing the power of self-reliance, and it doesn't stop there. We'll explore how to diversify your income streams, why your health is a wealth magnet, and the astounding role of gratitude in attracting abundance. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to take your wealth game to the next level, these secrets are your roadmap to success. You'll definitely need a pen and paper for this one, so get prepared. When applied, these secrets will absolutely put you on the fast track to becoming wealthy. Here we go, so pay close attention. Number 1. Be selfish. When you're starting your journey to financial success, it's essential to be a bit selfish with your time and resources. This doesn't mean isolating yourself or ignoring others, but rather recognizing the value of your time and energy and using them wisely. Your time and resources are your most valuable assets, so focus them on activities that directly contribute to your growth and success. This might involve saying no to social events, declining requests that don't align with your goals, or reducing leisure activities. Learning to say no is a powerful skill that helps you protect your time and energy, ensuring they're used effectively. It's not about being rude or dismissive, it's about setting boundaries and prioritizing your needs. As you progress and achieve your goals, you'll have more resources to share with others. Until then, don't be afraid to be a little selfish. After all, you can't pour from an empty cup. Number 2. Work in silence. In the age of social media, it's easy to fall into the trap of sharing every goal and plan. However, here's a powerful secret. Work in silence and let your success make the noise. Sharing your plans can invite a flood of unsolicited advice, criticism, and even discouragement from others, which can distract you and dilute your focus. Instead, channel your energy into your work, focus on your goals, and let your actions speak louder than words. Working in silence allows you to make mistakes, learn, grow, and most importantly, succeed. When you achieve your goals, your success will speak for itself, showcasing your hard work, dedication, and perseverance. It will inspire others and command respect. So, keep your plans to yourself, work hard in silence, and let your success do the talking. Number 3. Disappear. In a world that glorifies multitasking, this secret might seem counterintuitive, but focus is one of the most powerful tools for achieving success. Sometimes, the best way to harness that focus is to disappear for a while and dedicate yourself to a single goal. This doesn't mean you need to literally vanish or neglect your responsibilities. Instead, it's about creating a mental space where you can concentrate on one major goal without distractions for a set period. Make this goal your priority, whether it's starting a business, writing a book, or mastering a new skill. Give it your undivided attention, eliminate unnecessary distractions, say no to unrelated commitments, and immerse yourself in the task at hand. During this time, you'll likely experience significant growth and progress. You'll encounter challenges, of course, but you'll also have the focus and dedication to overcome them. At the end of this period, you'll have made significant strides towards your goal and developed a deep understanding of the power of focused work. Remember, success isn't about doing everything at once. It's about doing the right things at the right time with all your energy and attention. So don't be afraid to disappear for a while and dedicate yourself to a single goal. The results might surprise you. We've covered 3 of the 16 powerful secrets so far. Are you still with me? Let me know in the comments if you're committed to getting rich. Type yes in the comments right now, and abundance will start flowing to you. When I see your comment, abundance will flow to you 10 times faster because I'll give you a heart. But you have to believe it for it to happen. Moving on to Number 4. Pay attention. Pay attention. Make yourself rich first, then figure out everything else. When it comes to building wealth, priorities matter. Sometimes, the best thing you can do for your future self is to focus on becoming financially secure first. This doesn't mean neglecting other aspects of your life. It simply means that achieving financial stability should be at the top of your list. Why? Because financial security gives you the freedom and flexibility to explore and pursue other aspects of life without constantly worrying about money. So, how do you make yourself rich first? Start with a commitment to financial education. Understand how money works, how to manage it, and how to make it work for you. Then, take action. Save diligently, invest wisely, and look for opportunities to grow your income. Most importantly, adopt a wealth-building mindset. Believe in your ability to create the financial future you desire and take ownership of your financial journey. When you prioritize making yourself rich first, everything else falls into place. You'll have the resources to support your dreams, the security to weather life's storms, and the peace of mind to live life on your own terms. So, don't wait until everything else is perfect to focus on building wealth. Make yourself rich first, and everything else will follow. Number 5. Embrace failure. In today's society, failure is often seen as something to avoid at all costs. But here's a powerful secret. Don't fear failure, learn from it. Each failure is a stepping stone toward success. When you're working towards a goal, you're bound to encounter obstacles and setbacks. You might try something and fail, but that doesn't mean you're a failure. It simply means you've found one way that doesn't work. Instead of viewing failure as a dead end, see it as a learning opportunity. Analyze what went wrong, identify your mistakes, and use that knowledge to improve. Failure brings you one step closer to finding the solution, strategy, or method that does work. Remember, all successful people have failed at some point. What sets them apart is their ability to learn from their failures and keep going. They embrace failure, learn from it, and use it as fuel for their journey toward success. So, don't fear failure. Embrace it, learn from it, and let it guide you on your path to success. Number 6. Network strategically. You've likely heard the saying, your network is your net worth. This principle is especially relevant in the realms of success and wealth creation. However, it's not merely about knowing many people. It's about knowing the right people. This is where strategic networking becomes essential. Strategic networking involves cultivating relationships with individuals who inspire, challenge, and support your growth. These could be mentors who provide guidance, peers who offer support, or even competitors who push you to excel. Begin by identifying individuals whose goals and values align with yours. Attend relevant events, join professional communities, and engage in meaningful conversations where these individuals are likely to be. Then, build relationships by sharing your insights, offering assistance, and demonstrating genuine interest in their endeavors. Networking is not about taking, it's about giving. It's about establishing mutually beneficial relationships where both parties add value. Therefore, don't network just for the sake of it. Network strategically with the aim of building a supportive, inspiring, and influential circle. Your network can be a significant catalyst for your success, so invest time and effort in cultivating and nurturing it. Number 7. Knowledge. Acquire knowledge, then take action. While knowledge is indeed powerful, it remains merely potential power until it is applied. Many people get stuck in the planning phase, believing they need to learn everything before they can begin. This is a trap. The truth is, you learn the most through action, not just from books or lectures. The key is to balance learning and doing. Yes, it's important to educate yourself, understand the basics, and plan your steps. However, don't let the learning phase become a form of procrastination. At some point, you need to take the leap and start doing. Remember, it's okay to start before you feel completely ready. In fact, that's how most successful people operate. They learn the basics, start, make mistakes, learn from those mistakes, and keep going. The cycle of learning, doing, and repeating leads to growth and success. So, don't wait until you know everything to start. Learn what you need to get started, take action, and then continue learning as you go. Avoid analysis paralysis. This is the path to rapid progress and success. Number 8. Embrace self-reliance. In a society where reliance is frequently exalted, being independent is a valuable quality. It entails putting your faith in your own discernment, owning up to your mistakes, and depending on oneself to finish tasks. In the realm of money accumulation, independence is essential for achievement. Why? Because it is dangerous to rely on other people for your financial security. Jobs may be lost, assets can lose value, and relationships can alter. When you're self-reliant, you're not at the mercy of external forces. You possess the skills, knowledge, and resilience to navigate life's challenges and create your own opportunities. So, how do you embrace self-reliance? Start by taking ownership of your financial future. Educate yourself about money, Learn how to manage it effectively and take control of your finances. Focus on developing the skills and abilities you need to succeed, whether it's learning a new skill, starting a side hustle, or building your own business. Invest in yourself and your future. Finally, cultivate a mindset of resilience and resourcefulness. Understand that setbacks are inevitable, but they also present opportunities for growth and learning. By embracing self-reliance, you'll not only build wealth but also gain a sense of empowerment and freedom that can't be found anywhere else. Number 9. Create multiple streams of income. In today's unpredictable economy, depending on a single source of income is risky. Whether it's a job, a business, or an investment, no income stream is entirely secure. That's why one of the most effective wealth-building strategies is to create multiple streams of income. This approach not only diversifies your income sources but also provides a safety net if one stream dries up. To create multiple streams of income, start by evaluating your skills, interests, and resources. Look for opportunities to monetize your expertise or hobbies, whether through freelancing, consulting, or selling products online. Consider starting a side hustle or a passion project that aligns with your interests and has the potential to generate income. Don't forget about passive income streams, such as rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or royalties from creative work. The key is to think creatively and be open to new opportunities. Building multiple streams of income takes time and effort, but the rewards can be significant. Not only will you increase your earning potential, but you'll also gain financial security and peace of mind. So, don't rely on a single source of income to build wealth. Create multiple streams of income and watch your financial future flourish. Number 10. Run one step at a time. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to fall into the trap of wanting instant results we see others at. Achieving success, and we want to get there as quickly as possible, but here's a powerful secret: success is a journey, not a sprint, and the key to this journey is to move one piece at a time and not try to jump steps. Think of it like a game of chess. You can't move all your pieces at once, and you can't skip straight to checkmate. Each move is deliberate, each step is crucial. It's the same with your journey to success, whether you're building in a business, pursuing a career, or working towards any goal. It's important to focus on one step at a time, each step, no matter how small your progress is, and each step brings you closer to your goal. Secret number 11. Learn to be grateful. Gratitude is more than just a feel-good emotion. It's a powerful tool for attracting abundance into your life. When you cultivate an attitude of gratitude, you shift your focus from what you lack to what you have, opening yourself up to receiving more blessings in return. So, how do you master the art of gratitude? Start by practicing daily gratitude. Take a few moments each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for, whether it's your health, your loved ones, or the simple pleasures of life. Keep a gratitude journal or make it a habit to express gratitude out loud to yourself or others. Cultivate an abundance mindset. Instead of focusing on scarcity and lack, train your mind to see opportunities and possibilities everywhere. When you believe that abundance is all around you, you'll naturally attract more abundance into your life. Finally, pay it forward. When you experience blessings in your life, share them with others through acts of kindness, generosity, or service. Find ways to spread positivity and abundance wherever you go. By mastering the art of gratitude, you'll not only attract more wealth and abundance into your life, but also experience greater joy, fulfillment, and meaning. Embrace the power of gratitude and watch your life transform before your eyes. Number 12. Invest in yourself. Investing in oneself is the most profitable decision you can make. Purchasing stock, real estate, or starting a business won't compare to the long-term benefits of investing in your own abilities, expertise, and personal growth. The fact that this investment cannot be stolen, lost, or diminished makes it exceptionally safe. Why is self-investment such a strong thing? Since it maximizes your potential. You can accomplish more the more you learn. Your powers increase with growth, enabling you to achieve more. Investing in oneself yields permanent profits, unlike other types of investments. Number 13. Make your health a priority. Riches without health are like fancy cars without engines. They may seem great, but they won't go you very far. Setting your health first is one of the most important strategies for being wealthy. Your biggest asset is your health. Without it, all the money in the world is worthless. It is crucial to make an investment in your mental and physical health. This entails maintaining a healthy diet, exercising frequently, getting enough sleep, and setting aside time for rest and rejuvenation. It also entails stress management and retaining an optimistic outlook. To live below your means, start by tracking your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back without significantly impacting your quality of life. Then, create a budget and stick to it. The goal is not to live a life of deprivation, but to achieve financial freedom and abundance. Resist the temptation of lifestyle inflation. Save and invest the extra money, and watch your wealth grow. Number 14. Live below your financial means. In a world of cons, humorism, and instant gratification, living below your means can seem like an old-fashioned concept, but it's one of the most effective strategies for building wealth. Living below your means isn't about depriving yourself or living a life of scarcity. It's about financial discipline. It's about spending less than you earn so you can save and invest the difference. This strategy might not be glamorous, but it's powerful. By consistently spending less than you earn, you create a financial buffer. This buffer can help you weather financial storms, take advantage of investment opportunities, and ultimately build wealth. So how do you live below your means? Start by tracking your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back without significantly impacting your quality of life. Then make a budget and stick to it. The goal is not to live a life of deprivation, but to create a life of financial freedom and abundance, and living below your means is a powerful way to do that. Resist the temptation of lifestyle inflation. Save and invest the extra money and watch your wealth grow. Number 15. Never stop dreaming. In the hustle and bustle of life, it's easy to lose sight of our dreams. However, one of the most powerful secrets to achieving wealth is to never stop dreaming. Dreams are the fuel for your success. They provide a vision to strive for and a goal to work towards. They ignite your passion and keep you motivated through the ups and downs of your journey. So, how do you keep your dreams alive? Start by giving yourself permission to dream. Allow yourself to imagine the life you want, the success you desire, and the wealth you aspire to. Next, write your dreams down to make them tangible and visualize them. This makes them more real and keeps them at the forefront of your mind. Finally, take action. Dreams without action remain just that, dreams. But when you take steps towards your dreams, no matter how small, they start to become reality. Number 16. Enjoy the journey. In your pursuit of prosperity and achievement, it's simple to lose sight of the road in favor of the destination. Nonetheless, relishing the process of acquiring riches is among the most effective strategies. The road to riches is paved with obstacles, successes, and even disappointments. Every one of these instances offers a chance for development and self-discovery. You'll boost your odds of reaching your objective and make the process more gratifying if you enjoy the ride. So, how do you enjoy the journey? Start by celebrating your progress. Take time to acknowledge your achievements, no matter how small. This boosts your motivation and keeps you focused on your goals. Next, maintain a positive attitude. Stay optimistic even when faced with challenges. Remember, setbacks are temporary and are part of the journey to success. Finally, find joy in the process itself. Before performing any task, ask yourself, how can I do this to the best of my ability and enjoy the process? Wealth isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey. Don't wait to reach your goals to find happiness. Enjoy the journey towards wealth and success. And there you have it, 17 powerful secrets to accelerate your journey to wealth. Remember, each step you take brings you closer to your dreams. Start today, embrace these secrets, and let them guide you to the life of abundance you deserve. Congratulations on making it to the end. I'm proud of you. Since you've made it this far, consider subscribing to this channel. Your subscription is greatly appreciated. Remember, your journey to wealth is not just about the destination, it's about who you become along the way. So, keep dreaming, keep growing, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Check out this next video to learn more about building wealth and continue your learning journey.